Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now you need to click on special features and tap on simple mode. Following that, choose enter simple mode and wait. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to turn it off, you need to click on settings one more time, but this time choose exit simple mode over here and wait again after tapping exit in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!